Are you thinking about divorce and just discovered that your spouse has a secret bank account, secret credit cards, or has been transferring money and making withdrawals from your joint checking account without your knowledge or understanding? There are three things that you can do right now. Number one, you need to gather the evidence. Get copies of all of your bank statements. I usually would recommend going back 3 to 5 years, contact the banks and get those so you can trace the assets. I would also suggest that you pull copies of your credit report to make sure that your spouse hasn't secured any credit cards or unsecured loans without your knowledge, because that does happen as well, especially in light of how easy it is to get an online credit card and with your spouse knowing your information. Also, pull copies of your tax returns. You should have all of that information anyway. The second thing that you can do, and you shouldn't, this is a shouldn't do, is you shouldn't confront your spouse in anger. You gather the information first and you can ask your spouse questions afterwards, but I would suggest that you actually have all of the information before you do any kind of confrontation, because it can make the situation worse. And you definitely don't want to confront the person in anger before you have that information, because you're only going to get them to go and start hiding more things from you. And third, contact a divorce attorney, somebody that has been doing family law for several years at least, so that way they know how to trace the money, review the bank statements, and track down if there are any hidden accounts. I can't tell you how many times we have reviewed bank statements and found that transfers were being made to other accounts that led us to an account that the spouse was not aware of, which led us to another account. We've even found some accounts that were not within the United States. So you really need to take care of that right away. Don't think that this lack of transparency is not a problem, because it is. If you're unaware of your finances because you've just opted not to be aware, that's one thing. But it's another thing when there's actual lack of transparency because there's accounts and money being moved and hidden from you. So contact a divorce attorney as soon as possible. And if you need any additional information from me, you can contact me, Stephanie Hunnell, at the Hunnell Law Group. We'd be happy to offer you a strategy session. And the number there is 732-749-3500. I look forward to hearing from you. You can also send us a DM with questions. I'm happy to go over some of those things with you as well. Thanks.